Wow. Invest.
Safety is our
Investing. Puravankara, 45 years of building your idea of home.
नमस्कार पुणे. आशा आहे की प्रत्येक जन सुरक्षित आहे. What a heart-touching video, isn't it? They say we evolve with time and experience, and Puravankara has come a long way. Where your health and safety is our priority, this is the reason that Puravankara has come up with a unique and innovative way of e-launch. This is the third e-launch of Puravankara this month and first time in Pune. Now let me walk you through Puravankara's legacy. With its inception in 1975, Puravankara has believed only in one success mantra, that is quality. Where we have delivered 60 plus projects across 8 cities, where 1 lakh happy families are living in our Puravankara homes. Alright, the segment that we have been waiting for, and we shall witness it together. Yes, the mega e-launch of Purva Aspire. And we have been joined by innovative thought leader Mr. Abhishek Kapoor, who is the COO of Puravankara.
Hello Noor, Pune, सर्वांचा स्वागत. आशा आहे प्रत्येक जन सुरक्षित आहे, and I'm so glad to be here.
How do you feel to be in Pune today, Abhishek?
Fantastic weather, first thing, awesome, and that's why I've always loved Pune. Not just that, of course, I'm super excited to be amongst all of you, such lovely customers, and with a great enthusiastic team which is innovative for the first e-launch of a real estate project in Pune. So super excited.
I think it's a mutual feeling, Mr. Abhishek, and at the same time I would like to understand that Puravankara has such a strong footprint in South India. So what are your plans for Pune market?
Puravankara has always been in West actually, but back in 70s before we moved south, and we expanded and grew in south. Now we are coming back to the west. It's been a while since we've been already in Pune. We launched our first project called Silver Sands, which was basically a beach themed project. We are in fact going to launch the second phase of Silver Sands, which is going to come to you shortly, and this is our second launch in Pune. Not just that, Pune has got 10 million square foot of potential development that we have already signed up, and we will see all of that coming in the next few years. Not just Pune, we are also very excited about coming back to Mumbai. We have significant presence, and we will see very shortly a new launch in Mumbai.
Well, without a shadow of doubt, I can assure you that this is the moment that we have been waiting for. Yes, if you are ready, so are we. So Mr. Abhishek Kapoor, I'm going to request you to kindly do the honors and let's unveil the surprise, the biggest part of this e-launch.
Imagine living with Puravankara presents Purva Aspire, Bavdhan, Pune. Sprawling at the foothills of certain homes, Purva and living room surrounding you. Purva Aspire ushers you into the living concept processes of the elegant investing. Aspires your health regime in an icon at a mesmerizing of Purva Aspire. The Aspired Life at Bavdhan, the Golden Triangle. 2 and 3 BHK limited edition homes. Purva Aspire in Bavdhan, Pune.
Well, without a shadow of doubt, this is the project for our valued customers. So Mr. Abhishek Kapoor, why don't you tell us more about Bavdhan as a location for Pune?
Bavdhan as a location is one of my favorite locations as far as Pune is concerned. It is a site which is in the middle of what we call as the Golden Triangle in terms of entertainment. So as a location, it has been rated as one of the best living places to be in Pune by the recent report which was released by JLL. So personally, I believe Bavdhan is one of the best locations to be in.
Well, Mr. Abhishek Kapoor, thank you for enlightening us with so much information about this project. While we are getting adjusted to the new normal, technology has played an important role. So Mr. Abhishek Kapoor, why don't you tell us more about next gen intelligent homes Purva Aspire?
Technology is the future and technologies are present. What we have done is sensor enabled rooms, and everything is voice command enabled and also touch free, because you can operate everything.
Customers, are you ready? And are you excited? Well, if the answer is yes, so are we. So may I request Mr. Abhishek Kapoor to kindly do the honors and unveil the launch prize of Purva Aspire.
Welcome to the most awaited prize reveal for Purva Aspire.
Because this
Homes in Purva Aspire.
Well, wow is the only word that's clicking in my head right now. Well, Mr. Abhishek, what is one piece of advice that you would like to give to our customers?
I think speed, speed, speed. Block your units quickly, because this price is valid only till 5 p.m. today. Please block your choicest units quickly. Thank you, and all the very best for you to get the best unit fast.
Dear customers, what are you waiting for? Because this is the day and this is the time. As our first batch e-allotment starts at 12 p.m, followed by the second batch starting at 1 p.m, and the third batch at 2 p.m. You need to check your invite and quickly call your relationship managers, where I wish you a happy home buying. Thank you.
Get even gas to the
Present